Can I move over there?
What's that?
Can I move over there so I can get a shot over there?
We'll just keep it over here.
Well, I can't get a shot.
Yeah, can't go over there though.
And I understand that. We both have cameras.
And that's the bailiff. So,
Okay.
all right.
Yeah, it seemed like they would let me sit over there. I'm the local.
I gotta ask the bailiff.
No, I'm just saying, but I'm the local news and they letting them sit over there.
I'll ask the bailiff. When Tony comes out, we'll ask him, all right?
Thank you.
Your Honor. Mr. Stallnaker has received a copy of the indictment. I have gone over the indictment with him. He is aware of the nature of the charges, the possible penalties. He would waive any defect in time, manner, of service, and we would waive reading of the indictment and enter not guilty pleas to all counts.
Stated requested no bond in this case, so brief hearing on that. Ms. Knopfler?
Yes, Your Honor, the state's prepared to proceed on that here. We would call Detective Vincent Cruz to the stand.
Raise your right hand. Swear the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth. I do. Please have a seat and proceed with the arguments, Your Honor.
Thank you. Could you state your first and last name, spelling your last name for the record?
My name is Detective Vincent Cruz, C-R-E-W-S.
And where are you currently employed?
Work for the city of Painesville
How long have you been employed there?
since 2015.
And you're assigned to the Detective Bureau,
That's correct.
and you're a certified peace officer in the state of Ohio?
Yes, sir.
How long have you been certified as such?
Been certified for 10 years.
Did you have the occasion to aid in an investigation with regards to a Dylan Stallnacker?
Yes.
And were officers of the Painesville Police Department called to Johnny Gringo's Painesville, Lake County, Ohio on November 22nd, 2025?
Yes.
Yeah.
11 Chester Street.
And what is Johnny Gringo's?
It's a restaurant bar.
What time were officers called to Johnny Gringo's?
Officers arrived around 3:32 in the morning.
And what was the nature of that call?
It was a call for gunshots and multiple injuries.
And when officers arrived on the scene, what did they see?
They observed a crowd outside the restaurant and 2 males down on the ground, right outside the east man door of the restaurant.
And was a victim of a gunshot wound identified?
Yes.
Who was that identified to be?
It was identified to be Thorsten Martin.
And
Martin.
was the shooter identified?
Yes.
Who was that identified to be?
Dylan H. Stallnacker.
And does Johnny Gringo's have surveillance video?
Yes.
And was that collected by the Painesville Police Department?
Yeah, they have multiple cameras inside and outside the restaurant. They were all collected that morning.
And what time frame was collected on those surveillance videos?
It was collected from the evening of 11:22 to the early morning of 11:23.
And you've reviewed significant portions of those videos?
Yes.
Approximately what time did Dylan Stallnacker arrive at Johnny Gringo's?
Dylan arrived at approximately 1:20 a.m.
Who did he arrive with?
He arrived with his friend, Richard Wilson.
And how did he arrive?
He arrived in his own vehicle.
He drove.
Yes.
And through your investigation, what are the security measures that Johnny Gringo's has in place with regards to door security?
That evening, they had Mr. Martin working the front door. After certain hours, they will pat down or to open risk of people entering the bar with weapons.
And when Mr. Stallnacker first arrived, was he patted down for weapons?
I believe it wasn't captured on video whether he was patted when he first arrived.
And throughout the night, does the video depict that Mr. Stallnacker repeatedly goes out to his truck in the parking lot?
Yes.
And at around 1:54 a.m., he goes out to his vehicle?
Yes.
Does video capture whether or not he was patted down when he returned back to Johnny Gringo's at that time?
Yeah, at about 1:58, he returns and he is patted down by Mr. Martin.
Does he return at an additional time around 2:18 a.m.?
Yes.
Does it capture whether he was patted down at that time?
No, he returns at 2:19 and is not patted down.
At what time is last call announced that evening at Johnny Gringo's?
I believe it was around 2:30 a.m.
And who announced that night?
Mr. Martin.
Between when he arrived and this point around 2:30, approximately how much has the defendant, Mr. Stallnacker, had to drink?
He served approximately 8 times.
How is he interacting with other people at Johnny Gringo's that night?
He seems to be overly forward with everyone, talking to everyone, embracing everyone.
Prior to 3 a.m., how much interaction has the defendant had with Mr. Martin?
Not a ton of interaction, greeted at the door, patted down, but not extensive on video.
Okay, between 3 a.m. and the time that the Painesville Police Department is called to the scene, could you outline briefly the interactions between the defendant and Mr. Martin?
Yes, Mr. Martin is in the process of closing down the bar, assisting the other staff in that, putting up stools, while Stalnaker's at the bar still. So as they're putting up the stools, Stalnaker is moving towards the eastern exit of the restaurant, the end of the bar. He compliments Bill Martin for doing good work. There's audio on the cameras inside. Good work in terms of, I guess, cleaning up the restaurant. He knocks into Bill Martin twice. Bo seems to be drinking a coffee, and it spills on the Bo. Bo keeps directing Dylan towards to stay at the bar. At one point, Dylan attempts to speak with Bo and do some type of a handshake with him. Bo doesn't embrace him and asks him to step away from him and stay at the bar. Pretty soon after that, down after Bo seems shocked at this. He's like, okay. So Bo walks in front of Dylan towards the door. Dylan follows behind him, pushing Bo on the lower back and grasping for his waist with his right hand. And he's pushing Bo towards the exit.
Okay. When you say Bo, was Mr. Martin, Thorsten Martin, commonly referred to as Bo Martin? That was
Yes.
his name at Johnny Gringo's?
Yes, Mr. Martin.
All right, so Mr. Stalnaker had been told multiple times that the bar was closing, is that correct?
Yes.
And you stated that Mr. Martin walked out first, and as Mr. Stalnaker walked out, he had his hand on his waist.
Yes.
What occurred then?
As he pushed Mr. Martin into the vestibule area, was the exit door. Mr. Martin turned towards Stalnaker, put his hands up in the air, and then exited the restaurant. Mr. Martin pushed Dylan away from him as Dylan was chest to chest, face to face with him. Dylan stumbled to the ground and then reapproached Mr. Martin again, face to face. At that time, a restaurant employee was returning from the dumpsters to that same door. He observed Dylan again face to face with Mr. Martin with a hand raised in front of him. He tossed Mr. Stalnaker, grabbing him by the arm and pulling him onto his back.
And that was Mr. Kingston Wilson, who you're referring to?
That's correct.
Okay.
He was up our back at the as Mr. Stalnaker rolls onto his back, he is producing a handgun and he fires one round to Mr. Martin.
Where did he produce that handgun from?
His waist,
And was there one shot or multiple?
one shot.
He attempted to fire again?
Yes.
What occurred?
The handgun seems to have not rechambered. So you can see his finger on video attempting to pull the trigger. Then he begins to operate the slide, the handgun to clear the malfunction. And that's when Mr. Kingston Wilson grabs him by the arm's hand. And the handgun.
Where was Mr. Martin shot?
Mr. Sharp.
Was Mr. Martin pronounced deceased on that night?
Yes.
How was Dylan Stalnaker detained after Mr. Wilson?
Mr. Wilson struggled for control of the firearm, gained control of it, and tossed it a short distance away towards the east door. Mr. Wilson then struggled with Mr. Stalnaker off the ground as he was attempting to get back up. And the DJ who was working
And he was detained in that way until the Painesville Police Department arrived on scene.
Yes.
What type of firearm was recovered from the scene that evening?
A 9mm Glock 43X.
Later on November 22nd, did you have the opportunity to interview the defendant, Mr. Stolnacker?
Yes.
And did you inquire with him about bringing up?
Yes.
What did he say?
He said that he did not remember bringing a firearm into the bar, and that to his knowledge, the firearm would be in the center console of his Maverick.
And what firearm did he say that he owned?
A Glock 43X.
Did the defendant indicate at any time during that interview that he was aware of why he had been arrested?
No.
Did you make him aware?
Yes.
What did you tell him?
I advised that he had shot and killed someone.
What was his response?
Silence, seemingly shocked, and then he stated, "Oh, lock me up and throw it."
Nothing further here.
Thank you. Mr. Rossi, on the cross-examination.
Yes, good morning, Detective. So, Detective, you reviewed the investigation materials in this case prior to this hearing.
Yes.
A police report, is that correct?
Yes.
And that also included surveillance video, is that correct?
Yes.
Now, in the surveillance video, there is an individual wearing a yellow and black hoodie who's also seen walking out the door prior to this incident occurring, is that correct?
Yes.
Did you learn who that person was?
Yes.
Who is that person?
Miguel A. Gomez.
Thank you. Now, when you discussed what the video shows, and you discussed various surrounding circumstances, you discussed a conversation between Mr. Martin and Mr. Stolnaker, is that
Yes.
correct? Now, was that conversation captured on audio?
Yes, the interior cameras of the restaurant have audio recording.
Okay. You mentioned in your direct exam that at one point Mr. Martin was seen drinking coffee.
It's
Is that-
a dark beverage in a styrofoam cup. I don't know that it's for sure.
So you were making an assumption about what that was?
Based on the video, yes.
Okay. You also stated that Mr. Stolnaker was served Jack and Coke.
Yes.
Is that an assumption made as well?
From his statement, yes.
So you can't tell from the video what was actually served.
No.
And Mr. Stolnaker, in speaking with you, did explain that he has no memory of some portions of the evening, correct?
Yes.
Now, when you reviewed the surveillance video and you saw Mr. Stolnaker and Mr. Martin walking out of that front door,
Yes.
there were also two other individuals walking out of that front door as well, correct?
Yes.
And then when Mr. Stolnaker, Mr. Martin, those two other individuals all walked out the front door, there was another individual, Mr. Kinston Wilson,
Yes.
who walked toward them, correct?
Yes, he was returning from the dumpster.
So at that point, Mr. Stolnaker was outside with four other individuals?
Yes.
Okay. And when Mr. Stolnaker walks out with Mr. Martin, the other two individuals walking out with them are behind Mr. Stolnaker, correct?
I believe they're behind Bill Martin towards the restaurant.
Okay. Now, in the video review that you did you see that Mr. Martin is punching and kicking Mr. Stolnaker prior to the shooting?
Yes, he pushes Mr. Stolnaker and then kicks him in the lower leg.
Okay. And Mr. Kingston Wilson throws Mr. Stolnaker to the ground?
Yes.
to the shooting, correct?
Yes. As Stelnachers on the ground go, they are standing several feet away from them.
Yes, but prior to the shooting is what I'm asking.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And when officers arrived on scene, Mr. Stolniker was unconscious, correct?
Yes.
And he was determined to have become unconscious through physical assault that happened, correct?
Asphyxiation of.
And Mr. Stolniker had visual signs of being assaulted on his face, correct? At the
Yes.
time when you took him into custody?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, you stated that you spoke with Mr. Stolniker after taking him into custody?
He was first transported to the hospital. After he was transported from the hospital back to our station, I spoke.
And just to clarify, he was taken to the hospital due to the physical injuries he sustained, correct?
Because he was unconscious, yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, in speaking with Mr. Stolniker, did you learn that he is a Painesville resident?
Yes.
Did you learn that he has extensive family ties to the community of the county?
Yes.
Did you learn that he had been working?
Yes.
Did you learn that he has a very minimal criminal history?
I reviewed his criminal history. I don't know if I've described that as me.
Did you learn that he has no felony convictions in his criminal history?
Yes.
He has 2 misdemeanor convictions in his criminal history, correct?
Yes.
That's what you learned when reviewing his criminal history?
Yes.
Thank you. Did you learn that Mr. Stolniker has a child that resides in Lake County?
Yes.
Did you learn that Mr. Stolniker has a girlfriend or fiance that resides in Lake County that is also the mother of his child?
Yes, I think you described her as an ex at this time.
But she is the mother of his child,
Yes.
and she resides in Lake County.
Yes.
Okay. And in fact, that residence is in Painesville, right? Not far from this courthouse?
I'm not certain of the fiance's address. I know the address he provided for us.
It's close to this courthouse?
It's in Painesville Township.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. I have no further questions.
Yes, just a couple of follow-up questions. You did interview the bartenders who were working that evening, is that correct?
Yes.
And did they indicate to you what they had served to Mr. Stolniker? And you described what happened between Mr. Mark, Mr. Wilson, and the defendant. Does the video capture other individuals besides Kingston Wilson and the DJ as you described him kicking the defendant while he's on the ground?
Yes.
That does not include Mr. Kingston Wilson or Jose Hernandez, who was the DJ at that point.
That's correct.
Are you aware that the defendant does have a misdemeanor conviction for aggravated menacing?
Yes.
Are you aware of the underlying facts with regards to that?
Just from
Objection.
speaking with Stelmacher that day, he described he had pointed a firearm at a family member.
No further questions.
All right, anything else, Mr. Basil?
No, Your Honor.
Sit down. All right, thank you. So, as I heard the testimony, I've been reading the plan records contained in 2937 to 22C. And what the court's going to do at this time is the court's going to make a finding by clear and convincing evidence. The proof is evident with a presumption great. The accused committed the offenses with which the accused find by clear and convincing evidence that the accused poses substantial risk of serious physical harm to the community, and finds by clear and convincing evidence no release conditions will reasonably assure the safety of the community, therefore, the defendant will be held without bond. Anything else at this time from my witness state or anything else?
Nothing further.
No, Your Honor.
We're adjourned.
Thank you. I don't need you to hold the door for me. So here you guys have it. This is the Thorsten Martin murder arraignment with Dylan Stallmarker, whatever his name is. He is being held without bond, so we got a little piece of justice today, and we're gonna hope for more justice to come. We want guilty charges on all 7 counts. He has a 7-count indictment, aggravated murder, and murder being the most serious charges that we are expecting a conviction on. Thank you, have a good day. So, there y'all have it there. Over here on YT, we will be continuing. Thank you so much.